Hello and welcome to the part 1 of this Lego set. We are starting with bag number 1, this piece and maybe stickers. So the front cover looks like this. It's the set number 3367. Page 2. Yes, 2 parts. Page 3. Yes, hard surface and I won't mix bags. Page number 4. Let's open. I found these two. Okay, so the Lego guy. Can I open this? No, I think it was wrong way. How about now? No, I can't open it. Oh well, it looks like this. So, this guy is done. Let's start with number 1 and 2. Three, 4, 5 and 6. Like this. And these pieces. Wow, transparent. Oh, I think this way. Number 1, 2 and 3 starts with the rocket itself, or whatever this is. Capsule? No, I don't know. Yes. 4 and 5. That's enough. Something like this. Okay. These black ones. I'm going to put these right here. Okay. Number 7. Let's forget this at the moment. 1, 2 and 3. Ooh, a boat piece, I think, from the beginning. Something like that. 4, 5 and 6. Ooh, I'm glad these are printed pieces. One printed piece, and the second one's here. Look at these printed pieces. Nice. Okay. Blue share. And a red mug. Okay. And then back to this. Yes, on top of this. Number 9. Number 10. Oh no, sticker time. But first, now some stickers. JM3367. I think it's, yes, it's the model number. And these go right here. This was perfect, but this one, nah. Okay. 12. Oh. It's like, why use red color when you can't see it down here? Oh well. Okay. 13. It needs to be one of these. One of these white ones. And one of these transparent pieces. Okay. Oops. I placed it here. 14. Old classic piece. And then the long ones. Thank you. Yes. 15. $16. 17. 18. 19. Another standard piece, classic piece. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 1, 2, and 3. I believe these are techniques parts. Also these. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29, 2 of these. 30, 1 and 2. And this is the last step. Oh, this is a satellite. So, this one and the glass window should snap right here. Yes, it did. And this will have some stickers too. Plus up. Oops. I think it's perfect. Perfect. And then putting this down. Okay. Oops. Yes. It looks like this. And we will continue this on the next page. If you wonder where the part is, it's in the description. Anyway, thanks for watching.